Okay, let's go to Singapore.
Hi everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Changi International Airport here in Singapore.
Hi guys, so I couldn't speak much or vlog much in the airport, but this is the terminal shuttle from Terminal 4 to Jewel. Meron din papuntang Terminal 2. So yeah. So here we decided to explore and wait for the light show. We chose the time 7:30, but there's also 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock from Monday to Thursday. And from Friday to Sunday, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 p.m. I'll show you guys some parts. Pagkatapos kumain and exploring, we took the SkyTrain to Terminal 2 for the MRT, and then we headed out to Bengkolan, which is where our hotel is. So we're here in V Hotel Bengkolan. Look at that. It's my first time seeing an double-decker bus. So yeah, here we're staying at V Hotel Bengkolan. Just right by Bengkolan Street. The MRT station is just right there. Beside the hotel. If you're staying, I would recommend at least staying here. I mean, I haven't tried out the breakfast buffet yet, so because I have just arrived, but I think it's a good spot to stay. I mean, it's Bengkolan and there's some restaurants, and then next to V Hotel Bengkolan, there's Cheers, and then just there we just got from 7-Eleven.
Here, the money change.
Yeah, ayun yung money changer.
Malapit yun.
That's the money changer. So I don't know. We didn't money change in here. We exchanged our money in Changi Airport.
This is going to take.
So this is the buffet. Yan yung buffet ng V Hotel Bengkolan. Siguro masarap naman yun. I think it's gonna be delicious. But yun lang. I'll show you the MRT. So it's just right beside V Hotel, which is very convenient because it's just beside. Look at this. So here's the MRT. This is where we exited. So if you're gonna stay here, dun lang kayo sa may exit A. Pagdating nyo dito sa Bengkolan MRT, exit A. That's where you go. And then dyan, that's the V Hotel Bengkolan. Ayan, dyan lang yan. And then that's the MRT line. If you need it, you can pause. And then there's bus services around here. So, yeah. Ayos lang na. We're here in, papunta na kami sa Merlion. And nakabus kami. Good pa naman malapit sa amin. May Starbucks. So, lang. Yan. May malapit din na food court, so may marami kang makakainin dyan. May Starbucks, ayan, may makikita nyo dyan. Lazada building pala to eh. Mall yata to eh. Ngayon pupunta lang kami ng Merlion. And so guys, pag babas kayo, syempre lagi yung kailangan yung EasyLink card. And yun yung gagamitin nyo pag sa MRT, bus, sabi daw. Yan, i-tap in nyo pag pasok nyo, tapos pagdating nyo, ito-tap out nyo, tapos labas na kayo, yun lang. Yan yung kadali yan. So pupunta kami ng Merlion. Gamitin nyo din yung website na tawag ay godare.sg.
Actually, most of the time I was in Singapore, I use Google Maps. Kasi nadalian ako or mas convenient para sa akin. But you can use either on preference.
We're at Marina Bay. Yeah, actually nasa Merlion. Pero nandito kami around sa Fullerton Hotel or Mall. Ayan yung background, Marina Bay. Hello guys.
Mamaya, nga din kami gagana.
Yan, maglalakad na kami papuntang Merlion. Ayan guys. Dito tayo sa Merlion. Yun na. And so look at that, that's the Merlion. Tapos likod niyan is I think Esplanade Mall. And then there's still a view of Marina Bay and Singapore Flyer. There's a lot of people right now. Ano, ready na tayo?
Sa pagna.
So guys, tapos na kami mag-picture. Ayan. Nakasingit kami ng spot. Picture kami. Makita ko na lang sa inyo. Then, so pupunta na kami ng Esplanade Mall, which is, ayan, right there.
So guys, galing sa Esplanade Mall, naglakad na kami pupuntang Marina Bay. And nadaanan namin tong tawag, the Helix Bridge.
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa tuktok ng Marina Bay. Ayan.
So guys, throughout our trip, all of our attraction tickets or transportation, we're from Klook. We bought it in Klook. Kasi Klook is very convenient for us and it's cheaper than the regular price.
Dito yung murang.
Dito guys, yung murang outlet sa sabi daw dito sa Changi City Point. Maraming outlet dito, siguro makakating tayo ng mga
Adidas, Coach.
yun, mga shopping. Tingnan natin. Ayan, so may Jollibee din dito sa Changi City Point kung gusto nyo makatikim ulit ng Jollibee. Magbibili lang kami ng merienda sa, sa Jollibee burger para in case na magutom kami ganun. Ano din sila? Guys, so naka-order na kami. Yan. So, pabalik na kami. Wala silang float dito. But anyways, titignan natin kung parehas lang ba. Feeling ko pa parehas. Bro, ikaw mami, sa tingin mo, parehas lang. Jollibee dito.
Hindi siguro.
Hindi.
Balasa siguro.
Ha?
Balasa.
Ayan, so pupunta namin yung Bengkolin.
Mahal. Kaya kung spaghetti nila yung a la carte, nasa $5.
$5? Ito nga din yung ano nila. Yung ano nila guys, yung burger nila.
Dito pala may burger nila $5.
Yung itong burger may $5.20. So guys, after sa Changi City Point, pumunta kami muna sa hotel para mag-rest. And then after we rest, pumunta kami sa Marina Bay para manood ng fountain light show. And then pagkatapos din sa Gardens by the Bay kasi may light show din sila doon. Guys, yan yung light show sa Gardens by the Bay. Hindi na kami abot sa Cloud Forest sa Skyway, pero yan, mapapanood namin yan. So this is the end of part 1 of our Singapore vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2.